Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do the Hugo Weaving style Megatron voice. Here's an example how Hugo Weaving does his Megatron.
You left me to die on that pathetic insect planet.
You left me to die on that pathetic insect planet.
Alright, first thing first, unless you're that Asian woman who's about to turn 60 in 2 years and she still looks sexy. First thing first, you need a Yeti microphone, unless you have a microphone on your computer already or not. And second, you need Audacity. Audacity has the best voice acting thing. And third, for bonus points, you could use your Megatron extra points for the last night. But this one here is a Amazon knockoff. As I told you about it before, that is an Amazon knockoff last year. So let's get the tutorial started and... Alright, for the next step is that you need that already installed Windows sound recorder. So basically this is already installed on your Windows PC or whatever. Or anything if you're using Mac, let me know if I could teach you how to use a different recorder. Or you can use your phone to record it, because I don't use my phone a lot. I don't have like I don't know how to do voice recorder in this one. But anyway though, so you can use this to do your voice acting, and then you could add it to your file, and then you could go put it on Audacity. So let's get the microphone set ready, and then let's record the voice session. I am Megatron! Alright, now that I got my seaweed break finished though. Okay, now that I got my seaweed break finished. Alright, after my seaweed break, so now that I've finally recorded the Megatron voice dialogue, and then first thing first, you have to open Audacity. So this is my Megatron voice. Right here. So what you need to do is you have to change the pitch of the audio. So the preset is already set here, so you have to lower a little bit, check for anything.
I am Megatron!
Doesn't sound that good yet, no?
I am Megatron! I am Megatron! I am Megatron! I am Megatron! I am Megatron!
So, you just always make sure you preset save this here, and boom. You put here Megatron, let's see, Megatron Bayverse. Right here. But actually, first thing first you need to do is that you have to denoise, because you don't want to hear any annoying background, so you could get noise here. So noise reduction. I am Megatron! So here we go. I am Megatron! So how this works here, and also hang on. The pitch. So now back to the pitch here. And then you can set your pitch already right here. And then you can set your pitch already. Stick it out.
I am Megatron!
So that's how Hugo Weaving does his Megatron voice. You can export it into Megatron voice. And you can save it in your folder, whatever folder you have.
I am Megatron!